Hello students, myself Dr. Jyoti Shegokar and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, which is the study of engineering chemistry and its different points. Now our today's topic of discussion is the electrostatic precipitator. Basically, what is electrostatic precipitator? First, it is a device or equipment which is used to reduce the pollutants. So whenever there is a presence of particulate pollutants whenever that are to be reduced, at that time there is a use of electrostatic precipitator. Now we will see its construction. So first of all, this is a large cylindrical container which is having a very huge size, in which here the point electrodes are fixed. So you can see that these positive point electrodes are arranged in the way that they are having somewhat gap in between them. Now here there is a use of high positive direct current source. Then here there is a one opening which is at the topmost position of this electrostatic precipitator for removing or for totally passing the clean air. Now again, one opening at the bottom of the container is for gas with particulates. So this is the inlet for gas with particulates, and here at the bottom where there is a place given which is for settled particulates, which is having dust or maybe carbon particles. So this diagram is nothing but the diagram of Cottrell electrostatic precipitator. Now we can see that here there is a particular device which is used for cleaning the air. Now what type of air particularly cleaned here? Here those air which is having more and more carbon particulates, because it requires negatively charged ions. It is because it is having a positive potential. Positive potential is we have already used. So first of all, a very important process which is to be done is the ionization. So first of all, we have to carry out ionization, and those particles like smoke, they are having carbon negative charge itself. Basically, whenever the smoke is produced, so that smoke which is produced, it can be minimized by different type of we can say that proper firing of fuel, so that there should be the use of we can say that the proportionate amount of oxygen. Sometimes the too least oxygen whenever is used is showing the more and more smoke formation. So that can be reduced, or its reduction can be minimize the presence of smoke. But when once smoke is produced, it can be passed through this Cottrell electrostatic precipitator. So this all is about the construction. Now next we have to move towards the working. So its working is that first of all, the gas with the smoke or dust or different particulates is to be passed through this particular inlet which is present at the bottom of the container. So whenever, as soon as this ionized gas is produced, is provided inside this container, as gas it is having a natural tendency to move toward the upper side. So whenever it will move toward the upper side, it will interact with the point electrodes which are having a positive charge itself. Here we have used a high positive direct current source, high potential, which is positive potential from the direct current source. Up to more than 30,000 volt electricity is to be used here. Now whenever this that smoke particulates are coming in contact with this particular point electrodes, here there occurs the process of neutralization. That means those negatively charged carbon ions comes in contact with this, whenever this point electrode, it form the carbon neutral atoms, and that neutral atoms gets precipitated and get fall down at the bottom. In this way, here there occurs the three processes. Number one, ionization. Number two, its neutralization, and third is a precipitation. So in this way, they get precipitated and fall down at the bottom, and here there is a storage of different type of impurities or the precipitate is there. While those clean gas which had totally removed its different carbon ions is now moving from the outlet which is present at the uppermost side of the container. In this way, the Cottrell electrostatic precipitator works. Now, after that, there are the different advantages of this precipitator, as there is a removal of more than 0.1 micrometer size impurities or particulates. Then it is very efficient to remove the particulates. It is not having more maintenance cost. It is also very easy to handle, and we cannot imagine that within a 10 second, 1 second, 0.1 second to 10 second time, the total smoke can be converted into the precipitate and clean gas. So it will require a very less time. In this way, it is a very exclusive type of that device. While one of the drawback we can say that whenever the gas comes in contact with these point electrodes, at that time those oxygen, so during the process of ionization or after burning, if oxygen is present there, it might form the O positive ions, which ultimately gives the poisonous ozone gas. And another thing is that at the first, wherever there is a use of high DC voltage, at that time we will require more initial cost. So instead of these two other if these two things are ignored, there is no problem at all to use this particular type of electrostatic precipitator. In this way, it is a very important device which is used on the commercial level in the industries as well as different factories to remove the smoky type of substance. So with the use of this, we can minimize the use of another type of or another means that gas which is going to use it get itself get itself cleaned or purified. Thank you very much.